my second Stitch Fix box. So for those of you who have seen my recent videos, this is my third box, but it's my second subscription box, I guess you could say, because the actual second box I got was completely free because I didn't like anything in my first box. And then in my second box I ended up getting this, so it's really cool. But we're gonna jump right in. Alright. Okay, first thing on top. It's a cute little blouse. It's got little purple flowers on it. I don't really like purple, but I do like the dark blue. It's very soft and cool feeling, I guess. Not really silky, but just it's got that cool to the touch feel to it, which I do like. But the big kicker is, what is it made out of? "100% rayon," which I believe is still technically a form of polyester, but it's not polyester, so it should work fine. It's cute. It's 3/4 sleeve with all buttons on the bottom, so yeah, could be good. We'll try it out. Next, I did make sure that I went back in my profile after my second box and I made sure that was no polyester. There's not really an option that I could see that said for no polyester period, so I just made sure I was very adamant about it. I don't think I'm gonna like this. It's just plain. It's just a plain gray sweater. But it doesn't look like it's gonna be long enough. Oh, maybe it is. I don't know. We'll see. We'll try it out. But what's it made out of? It's only got 18% polyester and 78% rayon, a little bit of spandex. It does say machine wash cold, so far so good. But again, we'll see how it feels on. I don't know. It is just plain, and I do like plain colors, but usually just on my regular shirts, not on my outer shirts, so I don't know, we'll see. Third one. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. This looks basically like what I'm wearing, only a different color. It's like a purple color, but it's a, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's a wider stitch, I guess you could say. I don't really know anything about needlepoint and stitching and stuff, but it's not as close of a stitch. It's more spread out, but it's basically what I'm wearing. It's a 3/4 sleeve. Can you pull it? Well, I mean, you could pull it down. They've got it as a 3/4 sleeve, so yeah. I think it's a 3/4 sleeve. I say that, but no, I don't think it is a 3/4 sleeve. I think that's just how it is. So yeah, I like these, so we'll have to try it out. There's no fancy print or anything. Oh, there are pockets. I like pockets. I do. I really like pockets. So we'll have to try that out. Okay. Then there's jeans. They are ankle skinny, and I do like skinny jeans. But the problem I had with the last pair of jeans that I got, they weren't high enough in the waist. These look like they might be high enough, but we'll have to try them on. Last time I think I just got a small pair, and I don't think I updated that, so they might not fit, but we'll see. Got really small pockets on the back. I don't normally like the small pockets. They don't look flattering, but we'll have to try. It's got the stretch. I like the stretch. Oh, they're not full jeans. They're like a capri. So, yeah. We will have to see. So far, so good. That's 4 items. Let's see if there's anything else. There is one more thing. Again, they sent me jewelry. I'll have to double check my profile because I didn't check it last time, but I could have swore I said no jewelry. But I don't know, it could be good. This is the box. Sounds like it's got a little charm on the inside. Oh, they're earrings. Not very impressed. They're cute, but I'm willing to bet that I won't buy these just because they're probably too expensive. Like I said, I'm not very impressed. So we will see. Bancroft? Bancroft? Bancroft. I don't know. Alright. Camera magic. And we will try these on. So this is the first shirt. Like I said, it's got little purple flowers and stuff, and it's really cute. I like that it doesn't come too low, and I like that it's definitely long enough in the waist, but it still comes up high enough on the sides that I don't have to worry about when I go to sit down. I'm not going to be sitting on the material and everything. I like the fact that it has the dual sleeves where you can roll it up if you want, or you can keep it lower for, you know, colder weather, warmer weather, whatever it may be. So it's actually really cute. It feels good on me, and because it's not 100% polyester or even more than 50% polyester, I don't think it's going to do the pilling where the fabric starts basically coming apart. So, yeah, cute. So this is the second shirt that I pulled out, I believe. And this is the one that it's plain. There's nothing on it. It's really soft on the skin, and I do like that. But at the same time, I'm not sure how I feel about the almost sleeves because it's not really 3/4 and it's not really a full length, and it's just, I think this would bug me too much. My shirts at work currently do this, and I don't like that because I have to wear a uniform at work, and they don't go all the way, and so I'm constantly doing this with them, and I don't want to be doing that with this kind of a shirt. So, like I said, it's really soft, and it's cute because it does this almost shoulder look to it, which is cute, but it's plain, and it doesn't go all the way, so I think it would bug me. So while it's really cute, it's probably going to be a no. The third shirt slash sweater, cardigan, whatever you want to call it. It's got, like I said, it's got the extra wide stitch, whatever it's called. You know, it's not as close knit. It's got the little pockets, which I do like pockets, even though I usually don't put anything in them. It's kind of a place for me to put my hands sometimes. I kind of like it. This is really cute. I like that it's got the extra length to it. It doesn't come up too short. If it would possibly shrink a little bit, it's not going to matter too much. It's really cute, and like I said, I like these kind of styles where it's almost like a grandma knit, I guess. So, and it's long enough for an overshirt because it does come down past my butt, but I don't think it's going to matter too much. So I like it. This is a really cute shirt. So we tried everything on. The pants didn't fit. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I just have the wrong size in there. Even though they say they're the right size according to my profile. They're the right size according to what I normally wear, but they're just too small, so I'd probably have to go up a size. But at the same time, I don't think I'm going to because I don't think I'm going to be doing this box anymore. The gray shirt, it was cute. I didn't like the fact that it wasn't a full-length sleeve, and it wasn't even a 3/4 length sleeve, so it was like right in between those, which is just weird to me. I'd be pulling it up constantly and trying to pull it down, and while it's cute and very soft, I'm gonna have to say no. So, no. The jeans, like I said, didn't fit. They just didn't fit, so. The earrings, just plain. I'm not impressed, and they're probably too expensive. So that's probably going to be a no. So the only two we have left is this one, which is, again, very smooth and cool to the touch, if that makes sense to any of you. And even though it's got the purple flowers, it goes well with the blue. It just gives it a little extra pop to the color. So it's actually pretty cute, and it was really cute on me. I don't know, maybe you don't agree, I don't know, but it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks because I'm the one who has to wear it. So it's a really cute shirt, and I'm honestly scared to see what the price is going to be for such a flimsy material, so we'll see. And then of course there was the purplish cardigan / knit sweater, and oh, I really like these. I really like these, but again, I'm scared to see what the price is going to be. So we have 2 yeses, but again, price. So the stylist thing, I don't really care about the stylist thing. I mean, kudos for you guys trying to try, but I can style my own clothes, so if you don't know what goes with what, this would be helpful for you. Okay. I had a different stylist this time, so I've had 3 different stylists. I will say this stylist did really well, especially according to everything that I put in my profile, all the negative feedback I've given. They did really well. So let's see. There was, wow, the earrings were $30. $30 for a pair of earrings. I'm sorry, what? No. $5. $5. Now it says silver, but nowhere did I see a stamp, and usually if it's actual silver, like sterling silver, they're usually stamped. So, 1 second. No. No. They're not stamped. It says made in China, which, I mean, yeah, it could still be sterling silver if it's made in China, but they're not stamped whatsoever, and no, I don't care what name brand is on them. They could say Armani for all I care, and I would not spend $30 on a pair of earrings. It's not smart. It really isn't. My husband's testing them right now. So yeah, nowhere is there a mark. Nowhere is there any sort of logo, anything, stamp, or anything that says that it could possibly be actual 925 sterling silver. Now, my husband said that they could possibly be silver plated. So, I mean, that's always a possibility, but still, guys, seriously, $30 for a pair of earrings that aren't even full sterling silver? No! No! Just no. Don't even think about it. If you guys get something like this, no! Don't do it. Unless you have all the money in the world. Don't do it. It's not worth it. That, even though I said no to them already, that still bums me up that they're even more than $15, okay? That's just too much. No. Oh, moving on. The dark purple. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to say no to this. I just realized what the price said. Even though it's really cute. I really like it. I love it. Put this in perspective for you guys. I really like it. This is a tighter stitch than this is. And while it's cute, I only paid, I think, I want to say no more than $48 for this. No more than $48, okay? They want $68 for this. No. Okay, Lemmy V-neck. Navy. That's got to be the one I like. It's got to be this one. No. Brina and M. Sometimes they get their logos wrong, but no, it says Brina and M. Lemmy V-neck top. Navy. $39. I mean, I do still have $12 left, so that could just be, what, a $27 top, basically? I could do it? Yeah, my husband was shaking his head the entire time, like, no, don't spend that much on a top, guys. I still have $12 credit on this, okay? From the $100 that I got from my friend, I still have $12 credit, so that would drop this down from 39 to, what, 27, I think, if I'm doing my math correctly? So, I don't mind spending that on this top. especially since that's all the credit I have, it's not worth getting another box because the boxes are $20 each. So, now, just to put this in perspective for you guys, the jeans were $50. I have spent more than $100 on a pair of jeans before, but I made them last like 6 years, and they were amazing. And then I had kids, so couldn't wear them anymore. The jeans I'm wearing now, I love, but I'm starting to lose weight, so I'm gonna have to get new jeans somewhere, but I don't want to get them from the same store, and I will not get into that, political and personal reasons. But I think I spent about $40 to $50 on these pair of jeans that I'm wearing, so I wouldn't mind spending that on a pair of jeans if I absolutely adored them. They would have to be perfect, which is what the jeans are that I'm wearing now. But like I said, I'm starting to lose weight, so they're not going to last much longer. Then the light gray Paulson brushed. Oh, it was very soft. It was very soft. They wanted $40 for that. It seems about right for a sweater, but I didn't like the sleeves, so that's personal preference. So all in all, it actually wasn't too bad of a box. It just, the prices on a couple of the items were outrageous, especially since I said keep it low, because I don't really spend that much on clothes. And my God, $30 for a pair of earrings. No. So I think the only item we're going to keep is this. So out of 3 boxes, I've got this, and I've got this. So while they're really cute items, I do not recommend Stitch Fix. That's 3 boxes in 2 months. One of them was free, luckily, but still, I do not recommend Stitch Fix. I don't recommend any of the boxes that you have to pay for clothes and everything, because they just, if you want something, go online and shop yourself. That's the best thing to do. If you don't like shopping, like my friend, she doesn't like shopping. She doesn't like having to pick out clothes, so she does this. If it's worth it to you, by all means. Me, this isn't worth it. I got 2 shirts out of 3 boxes out of 2 months. That's not that great. So I'm picky. I like shopping. I'll stick to what I do best and go online. So that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.